Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2014 Audi Q7. From any screen, you see there, that's the sat nav. So from any screen you can either click to menu and then navigate to telephone, or just click telephone. So we click telephone and it comes up here, search for new mobile. There's no phones connected, so search for new mobile. We need to make sure Bluetooth is switched on, which it is now, and then we need to be watching at the bottom. So search for new mobile, click, and then continue. You see there, it's already shown up there, but we'll wait for it to come onto the screen. There you go, Barry's iPhone. So click select there, hands-free, select, connection's being established, and does it match? Yes, it does. So pair, click yes to accept. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. I won't be using the car again, so I'll put no there. It's already got 4 telephones connected, so I mean I can ignore that. But that's it. It's phones connected.